Welcome to our state-of-the-art facility. Our robots ensure precision at every stage. From here, trucks ship worldwide. Welcome, this is our state-of-the-art shoe manufacturing facility. Here, precision meets efficiency. From here, the soles are precisely attached by our robotic systems. Our team ensures every step meets our high standards. Welcome to our shoe factory, where precision meets and ensure every component is crafted flawless. This is the future of manufacturing. Here are the components for our new line. Each piece is fitted by hand or machine. Then it moves down the line. Welcome to our factory. Here, automation and skilled workers create high-quality footwear. Let's see the process. Welcome to our facility. This is our leather storage area. These rolls are sourced globally and organized by type. Here, our fabrics are stored with precision. On the line, automation ensures flawless assembly, a seamless process. These are our rubber sole stacks ready for assembly. We place them on the conveyor for the next step. Here, you see the natural leather texture. Our robotic arm handles the precise assembly. Here, we weave the fibers for the shoe's upper. The machine ensures each thread is perfectly aligned. This leather has a consistent grain, perfect for premium shoes. No flaws detected, it's approved for production. This gauge gives us a precise measurement. This batch is exactly 1.25 millimeters. Transporting raw materials to Station 3. Pallet secured, proceeding to drop off. Welcome to the preparation area, where raw materials become shoe components. This machine ensures everything is cut and treated precisely. Our laser traces exact outlines, cutting waste. This precision is key for quality and efficiency. Our laser cutters deliver precision cuts every time. These sparks show the power and speed of our tech, a perfect cut. Our laser cutters deliver precision cuts every time. These sparks show the power and speed of our tech, a perfect cut. We stack these cut pieces neatly for the next stage. This precision ensures quality in the final product. Here, the robotic arm sorts components onto the belt. Its precision gripper ensures perfect alignment. This integration boosts our efficiency. Here, we use precision lasers to cut the materials for our shoes. This ensures every piece is perfectly shaped and ready for assembly. Here, the laser cutter activates, precisely slicing through the material. This automated process ensures consistent quality and speed. Welcome to our shoe factory. Here, precision is key. Let's take a closer look at these perfectly cut edges. Operator here, verifying all pieces are correct. This sole is perfectly aligned. Quality check complete. All correct. Welcome to our cutting floor, where automation meets craftsmanship. These robotic arms ensure precision and speed for every piece. The result is world-class footwear. This is our stitching section, where precision meets automation. Here, our workers and robotic systems sure step toward a final thought. Here, robotic precision meets human craftsmanship. And in every stitch, quality is guaranteed. Here, rows of sewing machines work in perfect sync. Robotic arms ensure every component is placed precisely. This is the heart of our production. Here, upper panels begin to take shape. The robotic arms precisely fold them into the final shoe upper. Examining the stitching here on this sneaker, the tension is consistent, no loose threads. This ensures the shoe will be durable. These are the completed uppers, ready for the next stage. Each stack is inspected for quality before assembly. First, we adjust the tension for this leather batch. Turn the knob clockwise until it reaches 45. Perfect, the machine is now calibrated. This is our sewing floor, where precision meets scale. Here, our sewing lines ensure every stitch is precise. Automation and skill work together seamlessly. Welcome to our modern shoe factory. This is the sole attachment area. Robotics ensure perfect precision. Here, we apply adhesive to the sole. The applicator spreads it evenly. Robotics ensure precision. Here, the glue is applied for a secure bond. Automation ensures precision every time. The heat press closes with high pressure to bond the materials. Welcome to our shoe factory, where precision meets innovation. Our robotic systems ensure every component is perfectly aligned. Here, the sole is bonded under intense heat and pressure. This ensures a durable, long-lasting bond. Here, the hydraulic press applies thousands of pounds of pressure. This ensures every shoe component is perfectly formed. Here, the bonded shoes cool on the rack. Our robotics ensure precision. Here, our robotic arms and conveyors work with our skilled team to create high-quality footwear. This bonded seam ensures a perfect, durable fit. Welcome. This is our automated molding line. The molds move along as robots shape the footwear. The robotic arm places the shoes onto the final molds. This ensures a perfect, uniform shape every time. Welcome to our state-of-the-art facility. Here, Precision Robotics work alongside our skilled team. This molding process ensures perfect quality. Welcome to the molding area, where precision meets efficiency. Here, robotic arms and conveyors work in perfect sync. Let's check the alignment of this shoe sole. We align it precisely with the upper, checking for any gaps. Perfect. On to the next. Here, the adhesive on our shoe components is drying under controlled conditions. Let's take a closer look at the drying process. Here, the conveyor moves molded shoes through assembly. Robotic arms handle them with precision. Welcome to the molding and sole department, where precision, our robotic arms handle components with speed and accuracy. Every step is quality controlled. Welcome to our modern shoe factory. This is where we assemble the components. Now, we transition to quality control. Let's test this sole's flexibility. See how it bends and returns to shape? This ensures comfort and durability. Welcome. This facility produces thousands of shoes daily. This is our stitching stress test, ensuring every seam is flawless. Here, we test every shoe's durability. I drop it to simulate real-world impact. See? It holds up. This is our central inspection station. Every component is checked for precision. These approved shoes are ready for final scanning. The barcode confirms the model and approval. Welcome to our advanced shoe factory. Here, robotic arms ensure precise assembly. Final inspection applies our approval stamp. Here, we separate rejected pairs from the line. The robotic arm identifies and moves them aside. This ensures only quality products move forward. Here, we conduct final quality checks on every shoe. Robotic arms and our team ensure every detail is flawless. Our shoes move continuously from assembly to packaging. Robotic arms ensure precise, damage-free packing. Let's verify this insole alignment. Good. Seam is secure. Continue the run. Welcome to our factory. Let's look at the shoe lining. This inspection checks the padding and stitching. Quality is our top priority. Here, the robotic arms and conveyors are in constant motion, ensuring precision. We monitor the output right here on the digital panel. We've transitioned to packaging, where precision is key. Here, we box the final product. Quality is our priority. Here, the automated brush removes all dust from the shoes. This ensures every pair meets our high standards. Here, the robotic arm stamps the brand logo onto the shoe. This ensures precision and quality. This box folding machine is the heart of our packaging line. It takes flat sheets and creates boxes in seconds. Pure precision engineering. Here, the conveyor system moves the shoe to the next stage. Finally, we wrap it carefully in tissue for protection. Here, we shrink wrap pallets to protect the shoes. The machine wraps the stack in protective plastic. This ensures safe shipping. Welcome to the packaging zone. Here, we finalize the product for shipment. Robotic arms handle the shoes while workers ensure quality. Welcome to the packaging zone. Here, we finalize the product for shipment. Robotic arms handle the shoes while workers ensure quality. All right, let's get this pallet loaded. On it, forks are lifting. Good. Slide it right in. And now, the final step. The truck doors close, securing the shipment. Welcome to our state-of-the-art shoe factory. Robotic arms and conveyors ensure precision. Here, we monitor every step digitally. Welcome to our state-of-the-art facility. Our robots ensure precision at every stage. From here, trucks ship worldwide. And that's how shoes are manufactured, from start to finish.